Hi, I'm Dr. Kim Carlucci from Montclair, New Jersey, and today we are going to be discussing forearm and wrist stretches for those of you sitting at your computers a lot and starting to get some discomfort there. So the first exercise we are going to do is called hand clenching. You're going to make a fist with your hand and you're going to slowly spread your fingers as far apart as you can go, and then you're going to bring them slowly together, and you're going to do this on both sides. All these exercises are done 3 times a day for 10 repetitions. The next exercise we're going to do is wrist rotation. So you're going to bring your hand lightly into a fist position, slowly rotate your wrist. Do this 3 times a day. You're going to rotate in the other direction, and you're going to do both sides. Make sure you always do both sides. The next exercise is double wrist rotation. You slightly clasp your hands with your fingers interlaced. Slowly rotate your wrists, and then other direction. Use caution. If anything hurts, just send me a note. Stop doing it and send a note. The next exercise we're going to be doing is wrist flexion, or an extensor stretch. So you stretch your arm out in front of you. You place your palm facing down. Place your left hand on the back of your right. I like to use my fingers. Use your left hand and slightly stretch your right wrist into flexion. You should feel the stretch down the back of your right forearm. You can do this 3 times a day for 10 repetitions as well. And then you switch to the other side. The next is the wrist extension. So you're going to take your hand out. You're going to palm facing down. You're going to take the fingers and you're going to pull them up, so that you're getting a slow extension backwards, and you should feel a light stretch out on the front of your right forearm here. You're going to do this 3 times a day for 10 repetitions. The next stretch is going to be ulnar deviation. You put your arm out. You're going to take your left hand and we're going to gently pull sideways, and you're going to do that with the other hand. Pull it sideways here. Okay, this is done the same. You do both sides 3 times a day, 10 times. Our next exercise is pronation. So with your right elbow down on the table, you're looking at the back of your hand. You're going to wrap your hands around your right forearm and just beneath your right wrist, and you're going to twist it just a little further in the same direction. And then we're going to do the opposite, which is supination. We're going to have it facing us, the palms facing us, and then we're going to wrap our hand and we're going to continue to turn it a little farther in the same direction. So you want to do all these 3 times a day for 10 repetitions. And the last but not least exercise that we're going to do is the finger press, and you're going to place the tips of your fingers and thumbs lightly together. You're going to push and relax, and these are just stretching out your hands. So if you want more exercises for the rest of your body, we're doing each body part one on a time. We're doing our nutrition and natural healing. Subscribe on our YouTube channel. Thanks.